Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Recently there were two people asking about containers on RISC-V, and they also asked about K3s, which you could say is a lightweight Kubernetes. And you can see here that officially there is no RISC-V support yet. They are looking at it, and yeah, the issue is still open, so it's not officially supported yet. If you go through this whole thread, then people were able to get it built, but perhaps you might run into issues with dependencies. I don't know. So I thought I'm not going that way. But luckily, and this is already from December 2023, someone already had it working on the VisionFive too. So there is a GitHub repository, and from there you can just download the executable for RISC-V. Now, I had an issue with installing the, or let's just say copying those three files and then placing it in user local bin. And yeah, I tried to add sudo, but that's, well, at least it wasn't working for me either. So in the end, what I did was, yeah, you can just download those three files, then yeah, merge them into one, unzip it, and then give it executable rights, and then it's ready to be copied to user local bin. So from there you can do the actual installation. And there is a Hello Kubernetes example, and that's the one that I'm going to show you. I'm not going into setting up new nodes, those kind of things, because yeah, for me actually this is the first time that I'm working with K3s, and I've been too lazy to read documentation. So I also skipped the Argo workflows. Yeah, from here, I think that is all that I used from here. Yeah, there's one more important note, something about IP tables that uses NF tables. Perhaps when you set up multiple nodes, then you might run into that issue, I don't know. But like I said, this is just my attempt at getting Hello Kubernetes working on a single node. So one of the things that I ran into was this error. And perhaps if you read the documentation, then they tell you that one of the solutions is setting it up like this, and then add this part to .profile or bashrc, or I'm on Beyondu and I'm using zshell, so then just add it here and then reboot, and then you should be able to continue. Now, one other website that I used to get this working quickly is this website. I'll put the link in the description of the video. And for instance, here you can check if your node is up and running. So here you can see the node is up and running. I also, so after you installed the example for, no, that's not it. Yeah, the Hello Kubernetes example. So after you have installed that, then what you can do is expose it. I'll also put this in the description of the video. And I'm using the default namespace. That's perhaps not the best practice, because I think here they create their own namespace. Yeah. But yeah, this is sort of like just a quick and dirty. And so once it has been exposed, you can do the port forward. So let's do it like this. And I'm using a localhost. I'm guessing that's probably not the best practice, but again, just making it work. So now, if we go to localhost port 8080, then you can see that it is working. Now, yeah, here is the same remark as with Docker. Yeah, the things that you want to install with Kubernetes, you have to check if it's available for RISC-V. Not everything is available for RISC-V, so yeah, that's something you have to keep in mind. Yeah, that situation probably is going to improve over time. But again, just keep in mind that not everything is available for RISC-V. But yeah, the good part is that it's not that hard to get K3s working on RISC-V. Yeah, I haven't tested setting up with multiple nodes, something like that. But like I said, this is the first time that I'm working with K3s, so I'm already happy with this result. And I hope that this encourages other people to try K3s on RISC-V. And well, hopefully at least all the infrastructure things that they are working, and that you can play with it on RISC-V. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.